If you know what this is, please drop the name in the comment section. And don't let me see anybody put hibiscus in there. Caribbean people usually enjoy this drink at Christmas time, but I enjoy the benefits of this powerful drink all year round. Today I'm mixing sorrel with the most hydrating watermelon for the perfect summer drink. It's loaded with phytonutrients that may help people who are battling cancer. And it will definitely keep you hydrated in the current heat wave affecting the United States. Trust me, it is about 102 degrees outside right now, so make sure that you are drinking lots and lots of fluid. I've chopped and blended the watermelon and I'm getting ready to make this sorrel drink. So I'll be using dried sorrel, dried orange peel, ginger and cloves. So this is the dried sorrel. You can use fresh sorrel if you have it. So you prepare a pot of water, add your orange peel, cloves. You're going to bring that to a boil to extract all the flavors from it. Now I'm grating some ginger. You can crush the ginger or however you have ginger. I just like to use fresh ginger. More crushed ginger I'm adding there. Yes, the more the ginger, the better. Now add your sorrel. Give it a quick stir. You see the color is already coming out. The flavors are already coming out. Now you're going to cover that. Turn off the flame because we're not boiling it. We're just going to steep it until it is cooled off. Now that the sorrel is finished steeping, you can see the vibrant, rich color coming out. And we're going to get ready now to add it to our watermelon juice. So you can strain it through using a strainer or your cheesecloth or whatever you use to strain. Then you're going to sweeten with whatever you use to sweeten your drink. I am using 1 cup of brown sugar. You also have to adjust the taste because sorrel is naturally tart. So you may have to use more sugar or less sugar, depends on the way you like it. And do you see that richness right there? It doesn't get better than this. Now I'm adding the juice of 2 lemons. You can also use lime if that's what you have. And since you have made it this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe. Also, leave a comment, let me know what you think. And make sure you watch to the end because I'll be leaving another refreshing summer drink over there for you. So our watermelon sorrel drink is done and I'm filling up some bottles to be chilled in the fridge so we can have it to drink throughout this summer blast. And yes, if you don't want to drink it like that, you can also serve it over ice. It's just as refreshing. And if your answer was hibiscus, here is hibiscus. Take a good look. So this is my watermelon sorrel drink. Let me know what you think about this one in the comments, and please subscribe for more refreshing summer drinks like this one that I'm leaving up here for you. Go ahead, click that and make yourself a super hydrating summer cooler. See you over there. Bye.